But I want to help that miserable man, that poor man, said the Yugi. Then what happened? I have got heaps of old clothes. मेरे पास कुछ पुराने कपड़े हैं, क्या वो पहन सकता है? क्या उसे चाहिए? मैं उसकी इस तरीके से मदद कर सकता हूँ क्या? ऐसा युगी ने कहा. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? But he looks splendid in them, said Trevor. What seems poverty to you in picturesque to me? However, it will tell him of your offer. Okay, no problem. Did you want to help him? I will tell him that Mr. Yugi want to help you. This is the reply given by the Alan Trevor. Then what happened? Yugi said, Alan, said Yugi seriously. Seriously, Alan, Yugi said, Alan, you painters are a heartless lot. Yugi said that you painters are a heartless lot. An artist's heart is his head, replied Trevor. Trevor ने क्या कहा? आर्टिस्ट का जो दिमाग होता है वही उसका दिल होता है. And besides, our business is to realize the world as we see it. हमारा बिजनेस ये है कि जो हम देखते हैं वो लोगों को दिखाना, वही लोगों को रियलाइज कराना. Now to reform it as we know it, but we have to reform that things that. And now tell me how. And now tell me how Laura is. The old model was quite interested in her. What's the person said? The old person who were in the miserable situation, that particular model, that particular old man were interested in the Laura. Why? These were the inquiry which is taken into account by that old man about the Yugi. Then Yugi said, are you joking with me? Then Alan says, no, I am not joking. This is very serious. He were inquiring about you, where you are from, where, and what is your profession and all that thing. And then I had replied all the things which are about you. Then he again said that about to you that where the old men were very interested in about the Laura. Then can you about think that? Then what happened? You don't mean to say you talk to him about her, said Yugi. Yugi ने कहा इसका मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि तुमने उससे कुछ लॉरा के बारे में कहा होगा. Then what happened? Certainly I did. हाँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा मैंने कहा था उसे. He knows all about the relentless colonel, the lovely Laura, and the 10,000 pounds. Means that old man were known about the colonel, also known about the Laura, and also knows about the 10,000 pounds. Then what happened? You told that old beggar all my private affairs. मतलब तुमने मेरे बारे में मेरी प्राइवेट जितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी तुमने उस बेगर को सब बता दी. क्राइड यूगी. यूगी ने कहा क्या यार तुम भी मेरी सारी बातें उससे बता दी. लुकिंग वेरी रेड एंड एंग्री. बहुत ही गुस्से में उसने देखते हुए उन्हें कहा. एंड देन व्हाट हैपन? माय डियर बॉय, सेड ट्रेवर. ट्रेवर सेड माय डियर बॉय, एंड जस्ट ही वर स्माइलिंग. That old beggar, as you call him, is one of the richest men in Europe. The person who were the old man, who were in the miserable condition, that was not real the old man. That person were one of the richest man in Europe. And then what happened? He could buy all London tomorrow without overdrawing his account. He has a house in every capital and dines of gold plates. Means that particular old man was not really old man. That man was the one of the richest man in Europe, and he is going to London tomorrow without overdrawing his account. And he will have the house in his in the house where he have in every capital of the state, and again he will have the dines of gold plates. Everything he have. Then what on earth do you mean? Exclaimed Yugi. Yugi said, what on earth do you mean? What is exactly the meaning of this, Yugi? Yugi said that, what is the meaning of this? Then Alan Trevor said, what I say, said Trevor. The old man you saw today in the studio was Baron Hosberg. He is a great friend of mine, buys all my pictures and gave me a commission a month ago to paint him as a beggar. And I must say he made a magnificent figure in his rags. So what's the meaning of this? When Yugi were in the exclaimed situation, then Trevor says, what I say? मैंने क्या कहा है? This is the real fact that the old man was not really old man. That particular man was the one of the richest man in Europe. This is the fact. And he will have the every state of capital with his house. And again, the old man which you were saw today in the studio, that was the person Baron Hosberg. His name was Baron Hosberg. He is a great friend of mine. He is my great friend, and he buys all my pictures and he gives me a commission for that all paintings. And then what happened? Baron Hosberg cried Yugi. Good heavens, I gave him a severage, and he sank into a armchair, the picture of dismay. This said by the Yugi. Yugi said, Baron Hosberg, good heavens, I gave him a severage and he sank into a armchair, the picture of dismay. Then what happened? I think you might have told me, Alan said. I think you might have told me, Alan, said Yugi sulkily. Then what happened? And not have let me make such a fool of myself. Don't make it to me fool. That particular person was the beggar. So then what happened? Well, to begin with, Yugi, said Trevor, it never entered my mind that you went about distributing alms in that reckless way. Besides, when you came in, I did not know whether Hosberg would like his name mentioned. So why I had not told you that particular person is Baron Hosberg? Because I have doubt that whether Baron Hosberg likes or dislikes if I disclosed his identity before you. Then what happened? What a duffer he must think me, said Yugi. Yugi said, I am a person who didn't think about anything like that. How he is the third person? Then not at all. He was in the highest spirit after you left, kept chuckling to himself and rubbing his old wrinkled hands together. I could not make out why he was so interested to know all about you, but I see it all now. He will invest your severage for you. Yugi pay you the interest every 6 months and have a capital story to tell after dinner. What the Alan said here, Alan Trevor said, not at all. Not at all is the reference given by the Alan Trevor to the Yugi about the Baron Hosberg, who were the old man, were going to be as a painting for the statue purposes. Yes. Then I could not make out why he was so interested to about know you about all the things. मुझे पता नहीं है कि वो तुम्हारी पर्सनल लाइफ में इतना इंटरेस्टेड क्यों था. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, लेकिन हाँ अब शायद मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि ऐसा वो क्यों कर रहा था. और इसके आगे की स्टोरी मैं तुम्हें डिनर के बाद बताऊंगा. देन व्हाट हैपन, आई एम एन अनलकी डेविल ग्लोड ह्यूगी. ह्यूगी ने क्या कहा, आई एम एन अनलकी डेविल. द बेस्ट थिंग आई कैन डू इज टू गो टू बेड एंड माई डियर एलन यू मस्ट नॉट टेल एनी वन. ही इज रिप्लाइड दैट माई डियर एलन प्लीज एंड प्लीज you must not tell this to the all about anyone. Then nonsense, it reflects the highest credit on your philanthropic spirit, Yugi said. Means this is said by Alan to Yugi that nonsense, it reflects the highest credit on your philanthropic spirit, Yugi. However, Yugi walked home feeling very unhappy, leaving Alan Trevor in fits of laughter. Because when Alan Trevor got that reply from Yugi, then Alan Trevor were very laughing towards the Yugi, and then Yugi was very unhappy and he wants to go to his home, and at the path of his home he were feeling very very unhappy. Then what happened? The next morning, as he was at breakfast, the servant brought him a card on which was written, Monsieur Gustave Nordin de la part de M. Le Baron Habsburg. This is written on that card in the morning when the particular person, the servant, brought the breakfast to Yugi. Then Yugi got the card, and on that card there written here, Monsieur Gustave Nordin de la part de M. Le Baron Habsburg. These were written on the card which is brought by the servant to the Yugi. Then I suppose he has come for an apology, said Yugi to himself, and he told the servant to show the visitor up. Then Yugi himself have thought in his mind that he supposed that the Mr. Baron Habsburg were coming to apologize to him. Then what happened? An old gentleman with gold spectacles and grey hair came into the room and said in a slight French accent, have I the humor of addressing Monsieur Erskine? This is the reply given by the old man. The old man, Baron Habsburg. Baron Habsburg meets to the Yugi with the gold spectacles and grey hair. He were come into the room and he said that in a slight French accent, he said that, have I the humor of addressing Monsieur Erskine? He replied that. And then Yugi bowed and said that, I have come from Baron Habsburg. He continued, the Baron. Then what happened? I beg, sir, that you will offer him my sincerest apologies, stammered Yugi. Then Yugi stammered and he said, I beg, sir, that you will offer him my sincere apologies. Then the Baron said the old gentleman with a smile, and then has commissioned me to bring you this letter, and he extended a sealed envelope. Then when he were sealed the envelope, he were asked that, has commissioned me to bring you this letter. what the later this reply is given by the old gentleman to the Yugi that has commissioned me to bring you this letter. Then what happened? On the outside was written, उस एनवलप में क्या लिखा था? A wedding present to Hugh Erskine and Laura Merton from, उस एनवलप में लिखा था अ वेडिंग प्रेजेंट टू ह्यूग एरस्किन एंड लॉरा मर्टन फ्रॉम an old beggar, and inside was a check of 10,000 pounds. How many thousand rupees are in that? There are 10,000 pounds in that envelope. And again there were the present from to the Hugh Erskine and Laura Merton from the old beggar. The old beggar was the person Baron Habsburg, and Baron Habsburg gives this present on the occasion of the marriage ceremony, the wedding ceremony of Hugh Erskine and Laura Merton. And then what happened? When Hugh and Laura were married, Alan Trevor was the best man, and the Baron made a speech at the wedding. When Hugh and Laura were married, Alan Trevor was the best man, and the Baron made a speech at the wedding breakfast. Means this is the present given by the Baron Habsburg to the Hughie and the Laura. There were how many rupees? There were 10,000 pounds in the envelope, and the message to the Hugh Erskine and the Laura that this is the present on your wedding by the Baron Habsburg. Then what happened? The particular person, the Alan Trevor, who was the best friend of the Hughie, the best man, who becomes the best man, and the Baron made a speech at the wedding breakfast. Means when there was the wedding breakfast, the Baron were made a speech on the occasion of breakfast. Then millionaire models remarked, Alan are rare enough, but by Jove, model millionaires are rarer still. This is the remark given by Alan. What's the Alan said here? Alan said millionaires models are rare enough, but by Jove, model millionaires are rarer still. Definitely model millionaires are rare. Definitely model millionaires are rare enough, but the jaw of the model millionaires are the rarer still. Definitely, because if a person is rich, then he didn't want to share his richness to anyone else. But as the generous thing is that as we have the generous, we have to have like this for what we have. Definitely. So this is all about of our topic, the model millennium. So that's it for this video class. In this way we completed our topic, the model millennium. So this is all about our topic. So I think we people completed the 7 topic, and so now the next one is what? The next one is the ballad of the Father Gilligan. This is the our 8th poem. 8th topic is our poem, the ballad of Father Gilligan. So in our next video class we have to go towards our this poem.